Are you looking to save time on meal prep and want to use a diabetes-friendly meal delivery service? Then stay tuned because I am revealing my favorite healthy meal delivery service that is dietitian approved and diabetes friendly with meals that your whole family will love. Hey, Erin here with Healthy Mom Happy Family, and as a registered dietitian, a diabetes educator, and a busy mom, I know how essential meal prepping is to staying on track with your health goals each day, especially if you're trying to manage your blood sugar. But let's face it, eating well can be hard work, and it is no surprise that more and more people are consuming quick foods that are limited in nutrients. And the problem is that this lack of a balanced diet can send blood sugar soaring while raising your risk for future disease. Now, an easy solution is meal prepping, but I know that can be so time consuming and so hard to stick with. And that's why I love freshly prepared meal delivery services. But let's face it, not every meal delivery service is created equal, and not everyone is going to be a good match for your health goals or for your blood sugar goals. So that's why I wanted to share with you my favorite diabetes-friendly meal delivery service that I personally use and I absolutely love. And it has made it so much easier for me to meet my nutrition goals every day. So I've tried a lot of meal delivery options out there, and there's one that I personally use and love, and I recommend it to my clients. So let me introduce you to Nutre Meal Plans. Nutri meals are made fresh locally right in Boston using premium locally sourced ingredients. Just so fresh, it honestly feels like you're eating at your favorite local restaurant, but you're actually getting a meal that perfectly matches your nutrition needs and goals. So check these meals out. There's so much variety and the portion size is terrific. I mean, you can find meals that are balanced to help keep you satisfied without overdoing it, which, let's face it, that's really key when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. And I also love that they offer an option to increase the protein in any meal, so you can really customize each meal to match your own nutrition needs. If you haven't used a meal delivery service before, let me show you how easy it is with Nutri. I can basically meal prep and receive fresh prepared meals for my whole family in under 5 minutes. You just go to gonutri.com and browse through over 50 menu options. The meals are all sorted by nutrition needs, so you can quickly see what meals work, whether you're looking for low-calorie, diabetes-friendly, or even gluten-free meals. For instance, if I'm looking for meals that are blood sugar-friendly, I can select the diabetic-friendly tab, and it will show me all of the options that are balanced with slower digested carbs, protein, and fiber for balanced blood sugar. And one thing that's really unique with Nutri that I also love is that they have a bulk options. And this is perfect for when I want to make a family meal, but I also want to save time. Like for instance, I just can't cook salmon right by myself. It just never comes out well. So if I want my whole family to eat more fish, which I do, I can actually order bulk salmon and it comes fresh and ready to eat. So all I have to do is pair it with some veggies and some sides, and we have a whole meal ready to go in just minutes, and it tastes amazing. Now, one of my favorite features as a dietitian is how transparent they are about their ingredients. You can see all of the ingredients listed and any potential allergens and a full macro breakdown for every meal. So you can see calories, protein, carbs, fats, all laid out for you. And you can see the macros right on the front of the packaging. And I find this so helpful when you're meal planning. So if you have a certain protein goal or carbohydrate goal per meal, you can just at a glance see which meal is going to fit your needs. And that makes it even easier when you think about meal planning to manage your blood sugar and your nutrition. So for instance, check out this diabetes-friendly meal, the sesame steak stir fry. This entire meal has only 330 calories and is balanced with 31 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, and 4 grams of fiber. That balance of protein, fat, and fiber is really what helps to keep blood sugar stable while curbing your hunger. And look at the portions. I mean, it's so fresh and so good. And a big question I get about diabetes-friendly meal delivery services is if the sodium will be too high. And that is not the case with Nutri. This entire meal has only 290 milligrams of sodium. Okay, so let me show you how to make these meals. After you place your order, your delivery arrives right to your door. Then you just place your meals in your fridge until you're ready to eat them. And when you're ready for your meal, you just remove it from the packaging, heat it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that's it. You can serve it and enjoy. All right, so let's give this meal a try. So good. This is really delicious. I mean, it seriously tastes so good. And that's really because these meals are made and delivered the same day, so they taste so fresh. And you can just tell the difference that these high quality ingredients make. It tastes as fresh and delicious as if I went and ate out at a local restaurant. But I know that it's balanced for blood sugar regulation. When it comes to finding a healthy meal delivery service, there's a lot of things that you want to consider. Will the food taste good? Where do they source their ingredients from? Will the nutrition of the meal match your health goals? So what I love about Nutri is that you can really check off all the boxes. The meals, they're fresh, they're delicious, they have locally sourced ingredients without the excess sodium, and what I love the most as a dietitian is that they're nutritionally balanced to help keep your blood sugar steady and to curb your hunger. Now, one of my favorite things too is that you can customize the amount of protein in the meals to match your goals, which is very unique and something that makes it even better when it comes to blood sugar management. So to me, Nutri is really one of the best diabetes meal delivery services out there. You have the focus on premium ingredients, diabetes-friendly options. It's honestly a game changer for busy people who are trying to manage their blood sugar and stay on track with their health goals. So if you are considering a healthy meal delivery service, definitely give Nutri a try. Just go over to gonutri.com and you can check out all of their menu options. And you can even use code ERINP to save 50% off your first week. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.